Right, I got the LED dashboard kit from LED Factory Mart. They talked to me on Instagram and they sent one over. So just doing a little review here. So just open up and see what we got. So do an unboxing here. Open her up. Okay. Box is open. We have a little sheet here. Tell about the instructions. So take the glass piece off, and here's the product right here. Okay, so see we pull the whole thing out. Alright, and they're pretty good. Alright, here we are. Here's the actual LED dashboard thing. Okay, we see this carbon fiber spray like plastic thing here. This is where the on button for the vehicle would go. On button for this thing to go around the entire dash here. Other side here, we got clips to go in where the dash goes. Got our wiring for electronics here. And then we have a added circuit tap here. 5 amp fuses here. Okay, so still assume I'm gonna add to the fuse box, and then you'll add the positive into this wire right here, and then this ground wire can be hooked to any piece of metal in the vehicle there. Okay. All right, anything else in there? Nope. Okay. All right, let's put this off. Okay, for reference, we have the LED dashboard. We have the added circuit tap right here, and we have instructions.